How to save Google Form. So I'll show you how to save a Google Form after creating it and how to save a new form. So first of all, an existing form, you can see the one I'm gonna put up right now. All you're gonna have to do is take advantage of the auto save feature. All you're gonna have to do is make sure it's named in the top left hand corner. Then you'll be able to click the little Google Forms icon to get to this docs.google.com. You can even type that URL in. You'll get to a page like this where you should be able to see all your saved Google Forms because it's going to utilize the autosave feature. If you want to do something more specific, you can click that little folder icon at the top next to the title of your Google form. There you'll be able to save it in lots of different locations, including My Drive. So you can go ahead and move that to the Google Drive, wherever you want to within that section there. So that's how it's done for an already created form. For a new form, you can just go ahead and create the new form here, fill it out as you wish. Then all you're going to have to do is click the publish button in the top right hand corner. As soon as you click on that, that will save it again to the Google Forms website, docs.google.com. So you can go there, see it, and move it as you wish. Leave a like on the video for help, subscribe for more helpful videos.